Maadjong adlaw, my name is Christine May Supremo Napiere, and today I am going to discuss the family of MYRTACEAE. So this is the flow of our discussion. We are going to discuss the taxonomic classification, diagnostic characteristic, flora formula and diagram, example of genera and species, and also the economic importance. So what is MYRTACEAE? The MYRTACEAE, consisting of trees and shrubs found in the tropics, subtropics, and temperate Australia, comprises about 140 genera and 3,000 species. All species are woody, contain essential oils, and have flower parts in multiples of 4 or 5. Taxonomic classification: Kingdom Plantae, Division Tracheophyta, Class Magnoliopsida, Order Myrtales, our topic family MYRTACEAE, and the genus is Psidium. Next is the diagnostic characteristic. First, the vegetative characters. For the habit, the members of this family are mostly trees. For Eucalyptus syzygium, Psidium, or shrub Carrea, very rarely herbs. Some of the species of Eucalyptus may attain a height of 300 feet. For the root, it is taproot and branch. Stem is erect, woody, branch, bark very shining, smooth, and goes off in old trees, the eucalyptus tree, and it is vascular bundle bicollateral. The leaves is simple, opposite, alternate, whorled, shortly petiolate, exstipulate, or with minute stipule. It is gland-dotted, coriaceous, and evergreen. For the floral characters, we have inflorescence. It is usually of cyme type, sometimes panicle cyme or corymbo cyme, proliferous dropping spike in calestimum, and axillary in Psidium. For the flower, it is pedicellate or sessile, and actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, epigynous, sometimes perigynous, and it is complete. The calyx is sepal 4 to 5, polysepalous or united, rarely reduced or thrown off like a lid as the flower is open. Corolla, it has 4 to 5 petals, more or less circular in form. Polypetalous sometimes, gamopetalous, and forming cup, and it is quincontial estivation. Androecium, the stamen is indefinite, arranged in several whorls at the edge of the receptacle. Polyandrous, rarely mundadelphos, 5 and antipetalous in Melaleuca. Gynoecium, the carpels 2 to the indefinite. Syncarpous, perigynous to fully epigynous, inferior 2 to many locular, and axial placentation, rarely parietal. The fruit is berry. Then it has capsule for the eucalyptus and calestemon. The seed is non-endospermic. The pollination, entomophilous, insects are attracted by colored stamens and floral parts. Next is the flora formula and diagram. So this is the formula and the floral diagram. Example of genera and species. We have a genus Eucalyptus. So first, we have species Eucalyptus citriodora. Eucalyptus citriodora, or lemon-scented gum, note the inferior ovary and the prominence of the androecium as the attractive unit of the flower. We have Eucalyptus diglupta. Eucalyptus diglupta is a species of tall tree, commonly known as the rainbow eucalyptus. Mindanao gum, or rainbow gum, that is native to the Philippines, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. We have Eucalyptus camaldulensis. It has smooth white or cream-colored bark, lance-shaped or curved adult leaves. Flower is buds in groups of 7 or 9, white flowers, and hemispherical fruit with the valves extending beyond the rim. We have Eucalyptus grandis. It is commonly known as the flooded gum or rose gum. It's a tall tree with smooth bark, rough at the base, fibrous or flaky, gray to gray-brown. At maturity, it reaches 50 meters tall, though the largest specimen can exceed 80 meters tall. Next genus is the Syzygium. First species, we have Syzygium aromaticum. It is aromatic flower buds of a tree in the family MYRTACEAE. We have Syzygium comini, commonly known as Malabar plum, Hava plum, black plum, hamon, or hambulan. Pero sa mo ginatawag na mo ni siya lumboy. It is an evergreen tropical tree in the flowering plant family MYRTACEAE and favored for its fruit, timber, and ornamental value, with white flower and purple to black globose edible fruit. So it is Malabar plum, Syzygium comini. Next, we have Syzygium hambos, called rose apple. This is a large tree with edible fruit. They are whitish to yellow, round to egg shape, and smell like rose water. Next, we have Syzygium malacensi, or malacensi, mountain or Malay apple. It is mainly eaten as a fruit and also used to make pickles. In the Philippines, its local name is makupa. It is makupa plant. The economic importance of the family MYRTACEAE. We have the fruits. Some member of the family produce edible fruit. Example here is the Syzygium comini or Psidium guajava. We have the oil. The essential oils are obtained by the steam distillation of leaves and branches of eucalyptus species. Next, for the medicine, eucalyptus oil is used in influenza. It is mixed with clove oil and used in rheumatism. For the wood of eucalyptus and Psidium is used in engraving and making handles. In Australia, the wood of eucalyptus is used for railway sleepers, bridges, and plywood industries. And for ornamental, eucalyptus are cultivated for their showy nature in the gardens. So that's all. Thank you for listening about the family MYRTACEAE. And here are some resources. God bless.